Hello friends, today I have come up with a topic that is modified Euler's method. Today's example that is apply predictor corrector method to find a solution of the differential equation dy by dx equals to xy in the range 1 comma 1.6 using step 0.2 for the boundary conditions y equals to 5 at x equals to 1. So here x0 is equals to 1, y0 is equals to 5, h equals to 0.2, okay, and f of xy is equals to xy. Okay, so these are the condition. We have to apply the predictor and corrector method. So first the thing which we have to do is predictor method using predictor corrector method. Okay. So we have to apply this predictor and corrector method. So first we will see predictor method. Y1p equals to y0 plus f of hf of, the h is the difference, okay, interval, h of x0 comma y0, and also we already we have said that f of x0 comma y0 is equals to xy. Okay, so we can write it down as y0 plus h into x0 comma y0. Okay, now x0 into y0. So here we have all the values, that is y0 5 plus h is equals to 0.2, x0 that is 1, and y0 is equals to 5. So the value is we get the value that is 6. Okay, so x1 is equals to, we need to find out the value of x1 is equals to x0 plus h. So x0, what is our x0? That is 1, plus h, what is the difference? That is 0.2, and the value that is 1.2. So x1 is equals to 1.2. So let us move further. Let us move further and try to solve this example. Now apply the corrector method, corrector formula or corrector method using corrector formula now. That is y1c is equals to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 comma y1 p. Okay, so the formula now becomes y0 plus h by 2 x0 into y0 plus x1 into y1p. Okay, so the values 5 plus 0.2 y2 x0 what is the value of x0? That is 1 into 5 plus x1. What is the value of x1 that we got? That is 1.6, and the y1p, that is 6. Okay. So the final answer is 6.22. Okay. So this is the step 1. Okay, for the value that is 0.2. Okay. Now similarly for y1p and y1c, we have to calculate all these values. Now I'm going to erase this so that we can move further and try to solve this. We have to move up till we have started from 1. We have to move till 1.6. Okay. So now starting with 1.2 comma 6.22. Okay, we need to predict, we need to use the predictor. Okay, so for predictor we have to apply the formula. We know that formula for predictor, y2p is equals to y1 plus h f of x1 comma y1. Okay, so that is equals to y1 plus h of, that is x1 into y1. So y1, we have the values right for everything here. So y1 is equals to 5, h is equals to 0.2, x1 that is 1.2, and y1 that is 6.22. Okay, so we get the value that is 7.7128. Okay, and now we need to find out x2. x2 is equals to x1 plus h. What is the value of x1? That is 1.2 plus h, that is 0.2, and the value that is 1.4. Okay, now we have to calculate all the values related to 1.5. Okay, I'm erasing this now. Okay, we need to start now. So we need to apply the corrector method now. y2c is equals to y1 plus h by 2 f of x1 comma y1 plus f of x2 comma y2p. Okay, so we have the formula. We know how to use this formula, y1 plus h by 2. We know x1 into y1 plus x2 into y2 of p. Okay, so place all these values. y1 that is 6.22 plus h by 2, that is 0.2 by 2. x1, the value of x1, that is 1.2 into 6.22 plus the value of x2, that is 1.4 into y2p. We got the value that is 7.7128. Okay, and finally we get the value that is 8.0462. Okay, now we need to now starting with 1.4 comma 8.0462. Okay, now we have to start from here. First we have to predict the value, and then we need to calculate the character value. Okay, so let us apply the predictor formula first. Okay, so predictor formula, it will be y3p equals to y2 plus hf of x2 comma, previous it was x2 and y2, is equals to y2 plus h into x2 y2. Okay, so y2, we have the value of y2, that is 8.0462 plus 0.2 into, that is 1.4 into 8.0462. So finally you get the answer, that is 10.2991. Okay, now we need to calculate the value of x3 equals to x2 plus h, that is h2 is 1.4 plus 0.2, that is 1.6. Okay, now apply the corrector method. We have to apply the corrector method. So let us apply the corrector method, and we'll get the final solution now. Okay, so y3 of c is equals to y2 plus h of x, h by 2, f of x2 comma y2 plus f of x3 comma y3 of p. Okay, so the values we know, first h by 2 x into y2 plus x3 into y3 upon p. Okay, so replace all these values. y2 we got the value of y2, that is 10.2991 plus 0.2 by 2 into 1.4 into 8.0462 plus 1.6 into 10.2991. Okay, so you get the value, that is 10.8205. so this is your final answer. Hope you understood this. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.